If you're still using the same old apps from last year, you're missing out. These brand new and upgraded iOS apps for 2025 will change the way you work, create, and stay organized. And yes, they're completely free. Stick with me till the end because I've got an awesome bonus tip coming your way. It's a super useful AI tool I'm only revealing to those who watch all the way through. Don't miss it. Hey, welcome to SmartTechHub, where we dig up the best free apps, tools, and AI hacks to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's get into it. Now let's break this topic into quick, punchy app reviews. Perplexity, Canva, Notion, CapCut, PhotoMath. Please subscribe SmartTechHub to miss future contents. I spend a lot of time researching, testing, and putting together these tutorials just for you, all for free. So, if you found even one app useful today, your support would mean the world and really helps this channel grow. In this video, you'll discover 5 of the best free iOS apps in 2025, including tools like Perplexity for instant AI answers, Canva for stunning designs, Notion for all-in-one workspace for notes, tasks, and planning, CapCut for pro-level video editing, and PhotoMath for solving math problems instantly with your camera. Whether you're a student, creator, or just love useful tech, these apps will seriously upgrade your phone. Notion, the all-in-one workspace for organizing your life, from notes and tasks to databases and team collaboration. Why it's great: free forever plan, real-time sync, and endless customization. Canva. Create thumbnails, Instagram posts, banners, and even videos fast. Canva's mobile app now supports real-time animations and AI image generation. Perplexity AI, an AI-powered search engine and chatbot that cites its sources, a must-have for research, ideas, and real answers fast. PhotoMath. Aim your camera at any math problem and get instant step-by-step solutions. Perfect for students or anyone brushing up on math. CapCut. Whether you're editing TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or vlogs, CapCut gives you powerful editing tools, transitions, and AI captions, all free. Thanks for staying until the end. Here's your bonus tip: what you've been watching isn't a real person, it's an AI-generated avatar, created 100% free using a powerful tool. Only viewers like you who made it this far know the secret. And guess what? Next week, I'll be uploading a step-by-step video showing you exactly how to create your own free AI avatar. So stay tuned, it's going to be a game changer. Which one of these tools are you installing first? Let me know in the comments. If you need a tutorial for any of these, let me know. I already uploaded a short video about Notion AI. You may want to watch it. And if you love free tech like this, hit that like button and subscribe. New videos drop every week. SmartTechHub